In this video, we will cover utilizing and managing purchase orders, or POs, in ShipHero. With purchase orders, you can replenish and receive inventory into your warehouse quickly and easily. Let's go ahead and open purchase orders in ShipHero. Here you can see all our existing purchase orders. You can filter them by a handful of different variables, including date, vendor, and status. First, let's create a new purchase order in app.shiphero.com. We have all our vendors already added, so we can select which vendor we want to create a PO for, which warehouse it's going to, and the total amount of products for the PO. There are some options for auto-adding, which can be based on the reorder level and reorder amount set in the product settings. Or we can add the products individually to the PO and then input the quantity needed for each product. And then hit Save Order. You can also add products at purchaseorders.shiphero.com once the PO has been created. This allows you to add several different products at the same time. We can change the auto-generated PO number, enter the expected ship and arrival dates, add the tracking information once we have it, and upload any attachments if needed. The quantity added to the sell ahead column will be added to the available inventory quantity on your various sales channels. You can add to the sell ahead field while creating the PO, or update it at a later date if needed. ShipHero allows you to email the PO directly to your supplier. If you'd like to create the PO outside of ShipHero, it can be uploaded into the system or pushed in through the API from your accounting ERP or procurement system. Next, let's check out a PO that's ready to receive. We can see products, a timeline, and notes, and any attachments that have already been added to the PO. The warehouse team can also upload their own attachments or images of any product that arrives at the warehouse damaged. If we have any notes for our vendor or the warehouse, we can see and update those easily. The timeline will show us all the changes on the PO since its inception. We can also update the status of the PO. Once the shipment has arrived and we are ready to begin receiving the inventory, users can scan in each individual item or scan to receive by the case. If products arrive without barcodes, quantities can be manually entered for each line item. If you need to print and attach product barcodes as part of your receiving process, you can do so by selecting each product and then selecting Print Barcodes. If several groups of products are in great shape, you can receive the products with no issues to report by selecting them and then selecting Receive as expected. On the receiving page, you can choose to receive all line items to a single warehouse location or split the line items to receive products into different locations, as shown here. If items arrive damaged, you can reject them from inventory here and add a reason code and note. A history of rejected items can be found in the PO Rejected Line Items report. If you received more or less units than you ordered, ShipHero will indicate that these line items have been over or under received, which is also included within the reporting. ShipHero knows that sometimes you notice issues after you have finished the receiving process. That's why you can even edit after the PO has been closed previously. After bringing your inventory into your receiving location, you can easily put it away using our mobile app. Watch our feature walkthrough video on Put Away to learn more. To find out more about how to receive inventory using ShipHero's Purchase Orders feature, visit our support knowledge base. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content on how to use ShipHero's WMS. Let's get shipping.